$500 sitting in a savings account is bleeding 90% of its value over the next 30 years. Here's the one move that flips it. Stick around. I'll show you the exact account to open, the exact ticker to buy, and the dollar amount that boring plan turns into. No fluff. But first, most people get this part wrong. Don't throw your $500 at one stock you heard about at a barbecue. One bad earnings call and half your money vanishes overnight. Don't chase whatever popped 100% last week. By the time it's all over your feed, the smart money already cashed out. Retail buys the top, then watches it drop 30%. And don't try to turn 500 into 50,000 by Christmas. That's not investing. That's gambling. Here's the actual move. It's stupid simple. Move 1. Buy a basket, not a stock. Imagine you walk into a pizza party, 20 pies. Instead of guessing which is best, you grab a slice of every single one. That's what an index fund is. The most popular one is VOO. One share of VOO, you instantly own a tiny piece of the 500 biggest companies in America. With $500, you can grab one share. Move 2, keep showing up, $25 every payday. Move 3, think long term, not next week, not next year, 10 years, 20, 30, that's where compounding actually wakes up. Here's the part nobody tells you, that one share of VOO, it pays you about $7 a year just for owning it. Doesn't sound like much, but that money buys more VOO automatically than that pays you. The snowball feeds itself. Year 1, $7. Year 10, about $80 a year doing nothing. Year 20, around $300 a year just from dividends. Year 30, close to $1,000 every single year from the same initial $500. And that's while the share itself keeps growing. The dividend is the bonus, not the main course. 2 engines working at the same time. Now watch what that does. Same $500, same VOO, same 30 years. 2 people, one stops, one keeps going. Person A stops at $500 and never adds another dime. 30 years later, $4,000. Person B adds $50 a month. Same VOO, same 30 years, $140,000. Same start, wildly different finish. The only difference, they didn't stop. Let me show you what this looks like year by year. Year 1, you drop in $500, add $50 a month, total in $1,100. Account value, about $1,140. Boring. Stay with me. Year 5, total in $3,500, account about $4,700. Boring math, doing boring things. Year 15, total in $9,500, account about $24,000. Now it's starting to wake up. Year 30, total in $18,500, account about $140,000. That's compounding, finally awake. There's a trap most beginners fall into. You will not be rich next month. Some weeks the market dips. You'll open the app and see less than you put in. That's normal. The S&P 500 has dropped 30% or more 3 times in the last 25 years, and it came back every single time. What you're really buying isn't a stock. It's a habit. Pay yourself first every month, no matter what's on the news. The habit is the real investment. Now let's kill your excuses. I can't afford to invest. You can't afford not to. Skipping one DoorDash order a week is $20. That's your weekly VOO deposit right there. The market is going to crash. It will. It always does. And then it always goes back up. The crash years are when you buy more, not less. Discount sale on the same VOO. I started too late. No, you didn't. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Even at 50, you've got 20 years of compounding ahead. Here's the actual plan, 3 steps. Step 1, open a free brokerage account. Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard. Pick whichever name you've heard of. 2, drop the $500 into VOO. 3, set up an automatic transfer of $25 every payday. Done. But before you buy, put it in the right wrapper first. Before you buy VOO in a regular brokerage account, put it inside a Roth IRA. Same VOO, same dollars in, but every dollar it earns, tax-free. Forever. You contribute after-tax money now. It grows. You keep all of it when you retire. No tax bill, no surprise. And if your job offers a 401k match, that's 100% return before the market even moves. If they match 3% and you skip it, you're literally lighting money on fire. So the actual order is get the 401k match first, then max out the Roth IRA, then buy VOO in your taxable account. Match, Roth, taxable, in that order. Scared to pick a broker? Use a robo-advisor. Apps like Betterment or Wealthfront pick the funds for you. You drop money in, they handle the rest. Tiny fee, about 0.25%. Beats doing nothing by a mile. Want at least one real company name in your portfolio? Add a single share of a boring blue chip, Costco, Oracle, big, profitable, decades old. Pair it with your VOO, 80% index, 20% blue chip. These aren't shortcuts. They're side doors to the same room. The boring index fund is still the main move. The plan is supposed to be boring. Boring is what works. You can keep watching from the sidelines, or you can start owning a piece of every American company tonight. Your call. $500 isn't the goal, it's the door. Investing isn't about how much you start with. It's about starting. One more thing. If you do this inside a Roth IRA, you keep every single penny tax-free. Hit subscribe. We make investing simple every week. Drop your first ticker pick in the comments. See you next video.